What's up, guys? So this is round 2 of Betsy. Coil packs came in. I bought some cheap ones, like the cheapest ones I could find, because if it's not that, I'm not about to spend a lot of money, you feel me? So I got some cheapos. Apparently it's ultra power ignition coil made in China. I don't know. We'll see if it fits, if it works. If it doesn't, well, I just wasted about $100. If it does, nice. If it doesn't fix the car, I guess I gotta get an OBD1 reader. I probably should have bought one a while ago, but you know how things go. So we're gonna go back downstairs. We still got the new spark plugs in the car, which is nice. We'll have new coil packs. See if that works. If it doesn't, I don't know, man. I really hope the engine's not hurt, and I hope the wiring harness isn't fucked. We'll see whenever we get there, I guess. So let's head downstairs. I'll grab my tools, bring my parts, get back to it. See you downstairs. Alright, first things first is we gotta uncover it. So let's go ahead and do that. Alright, it's uncovered. So, just so you guys know, if you're new, we're replacing these old bad boys. Hopefully the ones I got work. They should. We'll see. If not, I just wasted a bunch of money. Okay, let's move this out of the way, or put an engine protector. I also have to order some windshield wipers for this thing. I put them on the bug. The bug's windshields were... Wait. Okay, hold on. Alright, so yeah, let's take all these out. Come on. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Alright, I'm gonna take these bolts out and then we'll unpack the new ones. Alright. So, I mean, these are already numbered. I previously numbered them with a Sharpie. But this is what we're replacing. Very clapped, old equipment. We aren't gonna get rid of them just yet, but we are moving them. Okay, and also, just checking the wires. Nothing seems brittle or broken. Everything seems to be fine. I think I would have seen something in the previous times. If anything, it'd be where it connects. But these all look fine. So, again, these are what we are replacing. Let me go open up the box, grab some new coil packs, and then we'll compare them, make sure the lengths match and everything looks okay. And we'll go from there. Alright, boys, so these are the new ones. A little bit different, the bottom's different. Still a woven, whatever this base is. The base is a little bit different. It's got a 4 bolt instead of a 2 bolt, which I don't think should matter as long as there's 2 on it. plugs are the same. Let's check. Those are basically the same length. This might be a little bit longer, but I don't think it should be an issue. None of them are marked, so once I get them in, I'll look for my Sharpie. I should have my Sharpie actually. I have a crayon. I could use the crayon. I might look for my Sharpie here in a minute. Pen won't work. Well, yeah, we'll put those in, number them where they're sitting, plug everything back in, and then I guess try to start it. I'm not getting rid of these just yet. I am careful with them, but they are pretty clapped. I did notice the boots are a little bit different. These are just straight rubber boots with the coil connector in the top, whereas these have like an insulator, like more insulation in it or something. I'm not too sure. If you guys know what the green is, that'd be cool. It actually looks kind of like a, oh, it's the grease for the spark plugs, I see. Okay, so yeah, let's get these in. Okay, first issue. With this top, these pins that are holding the plate on don't allow it to sit flush. It's just a little bit higher, and it doesn't want to sit down. So it looks like I gotta nip these off. So I'll grab my, I guess, zip-tie cutter and just try to nip these off. I don't know. Well, let me do this off cam and I'll catch you guys up on what I figured out. Oh yeah, man. Why does everything have to go wrong with this car? So, if you see, this hole's lined up. That hole doesn't line up. I have to get this far to figure that out. I had the one, I think the tubes are too short. I nipped the little clips off for this piece. I think to get it to sit down perfectly, or to grind this ridge off on all of them. I don't know, man. So I guess I'm just gonna put this back where it was. There we go. Right down in there. Yep. Just like that. I guess I'm gonna put the old coils back in. Make sure everything's tight and dry. Yeah. We'll see. I just wasted money on those, so I guess I gotta figure out how to turn them. Alright. Old coils are back in. Everything's plugged back together. Grounds are done. Let's see if it wants to start. Probably not. Let's just try. I think it's dead. Yep, okay, I gotta go grab my jump box. I don't know what's wrong with it, chat. Guys. Smells like gas, so it's getting fuel. That's gotta be spark. It sounded like I wanted to start, but I think one of the packs are dead. I guess I gotta do more research and order the right fucking coil packs. God damn it. That's so upsetting. Well, I guess that's another day of misfortune for Sam. For real talk though, I think I gotta do some research. I gotta return the coil packs that I bought, find the coil packs that I need, and then try. It did sound like it wanted to start. It sounded like a couple of the cylinders were down or something like that. I don't know. I don't know. But yeah, guys, thanks for enjoying my struggle? Question mark? Catch you guys on the next one whenever the new sets of coil packs come in or whatever. Yay. After that, we get to pull the thermostat apart and clean the internal of the engine and radiator. Gross. Fun. Thank you guys for watching. If you guys know any fixes or tricks, I would appreciate it. Well, yeah. Peace out. Catch you guys on the next one.